Hey, what's up guys? We're gonna start today's track vlog at RSR, picking up the F80. Really no adjustments are done to it or have been done to it since the last track day. Tires have been flipped. That's just to give the inside shoulder a little rest and get the outside shoulder some more work because they're more fresh. Let's see, what else? Nothing, that's it. So we're gonna toy around with some sway bar settings and see what we can come up with, see if there's any solution to the oversteer issue that I've been having. The car just seems to be really tail happy, and to eliminate that, I want to get some more body roll. Maybe that could fix the issue, and we'll see what happens. So probably gonna disconnect the rear sway bar altogether, and then the front is already on the lowest setting, and go from there. So we'll start there, see what happens. If for whatever reason we can't tune out or suspension tune out the fact that the car is oversteering, it might be an alignment issue. I know I'm having one bushing or one bearing go bad on my lower control arm in the front. That could cause some slop, of course. But good thing with SPL is everything's like a Lego piece. So you literally just remove the bearing, pop in the new one they send you, and you're good to go. As long as nothing's stripped or broken, cracked, you're straight. You don't have to, spend another fucking $600, $800 on some control arms. So good to know, and should be a good day tomorrow. So times for tomorrow that I'm hopeful of. My first time at Big Willow, I took the F80 M3, which was last year for Bimmer Challenge. I set a 133, which was not that impressive. But for my first time, whatever, it is what it is. I was literally learning the track while trying to do a time attack. That's extremely difficult and not very efficient. So second time out, I ran a 127 in the GT3, and I still don't think that the cars played a factor too much. We know the GT3 is better than the F80 M3. That's not even a doubt or a debate. But I really think that that didn't really play a factor. I really think that what happened was I was a little more familiar with the course and was able to push a little harder with confidence. A whole 6 seconds difference. I do not think that the F80 M3 is 6 seconds slower than the GT3. So times that I'm going for, I'm going to try and aim for a 127. So we'll see what happens. It's going to be hot as fuck. It's going to be miserable tomorrow. But yeah, it should be a good time regardless. So catch up with you guys in a bit. So we're here at the track. It's hot as fuck. Got about 8 minutes till we go on. So I'm sitting on grid. Got Bailey behind me and Kyle in front of me, and then Andrew in front of him. So we're towards the front. There's actually not too many cars on grid right now. To be honest with you, I'm probably gonna do like just the third session and go home. It's fucking hot, man. It's 81 degrees right now, and I'm sure on track it's probably over 100 already. So yeah, temps are not looking good. We'll see how the car handles it. I don't remember what tune I'm running right now. It might just be a stage 1 tune, but I didn't have time to flash the car, so that's fine. I'm thinking after this session, I'll go back, I'll check what tune I'm running, and flash the right tune onto the car. I'm not running E85 for this event. There's no E85 stations near here, so there was no point, and I don't like to carry gas and jugs in the car, so that wasn't really an option for me. We got 5 minutes till we go on. So yeah, we'll see. RSR dudes are late. They're probably pulling in the gate right now, maybe even later. Eric told me he's gonna be here at like 8:45, which is obviously past our first session. So yeah, we'll see. The goal today is a 27. I won't be satisfied unless I'm even close to it, so we'll see. I'll update you guys soon. What's going on, guys? So quick update for you guys. It is hot as shit today. You could probably tell by the sound of my voice that my morale has taken a shit on because of this heat. The car's overheating. It's overheated in both sessions 4 times, and the best lap time I was able to muster up was a 30.4. Does that mean that do I think that the car has more? Yes, it has a lot more. But with these temps and the car overheating, I can't get anything more out of it. So, pretty shitty, but we're down by a full second. And we got one more session left. Do I think I'm going to shave off a second? Well, I didn't get any faster in my second session. It just got too hot. And it's only supposed to get even hotter. So, chances of winning this event, slim to none, but staying in second pretty comfortably right now. So, yeah, we'll see what happens. I'll try and see where I can save some time and go a little faster. But yeah, that's basically it for today. Let me show you guys what we got here. I'm standing in the shade because it's way too fucking hot. There's no room over there. I got Eric's M2, Andrew's M3, Bailey's M3, and I think his name is George. George's M3. I could be wrong, but Eric is sitting in second place. Kyle, Evil 1M, is in first place in B1. Andrew, I think, is in third, and Bailey is in second place in B3, I'm pretty sure. So, all on podium today. So far, so good. So, other than this damn heat, we'll see what happens.